Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your marketing automation with ActiveCampaign easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your ActiveCampaign account. Once logged in, navigate to the Automations tab in the main menu. Click on the Create an Automation button to start building your new automation. Select a pre-built automation template or choose Start from Scratch for complete customization. For a custom automation, click Continue after selecting your option. Now, you'll see the Automation Builder interface. Drag and drop the start trigger to your canvas. Next, you can add conditions or actions to your automation. Click on the plus icon to open the Actions menu. Select Send an email to create an email action. Design your email by clicking on Design Email and filling in the necessary details. After your email is designed, click Save and Exit to return to the Automation Builder. You can add additional steps, such as wait or if/else conditions, based on your campaign needs. Once your steps are added, make sure to organize them in a logical flow. To test your automation, click the Test button to ensure everything works as intended. After testing, return to the Automation Builder to make any necessary adjustments. When satisfied, click the Active button to launch your automation. Now, monitor the performance through the Reports tab to analyze engagement and effectiveness. Congratulations, you've successfully upgraded your marketing automation with ActiveCampaign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.